Sound check, all good? हाँ, ठीक है. Missile or shotgun, like what? Why are you laughing? Oh, मेरे को कूदना था. Sorry, one more. Material finishes and. What's that one room in your home that gets used every single day, no matter what? Everything from your morning chai, afternoon lunch, evening snacks, midnight coffee run, everything happens here. So yeah, if you're thinking about the kitchen, we are on the same page. Now let's say you spend lakhs on making that beautiful kitchen. And after all of that, the last thing you want is your kitchen to look outdated or just fall apart in 2 years, right? Hello everyone, I am Rukmini Saha and welcome back to Design Cafe's YouTube channel. Today, we are going to solve one of the most asked questions on our channel, that is how to choose finishes for your kitchen. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any video of ours. Kitchen layout is very important, but the real beauty of it comes from the materials, finishes and textures that you use. And honestly, there are so many options for finishes available these days, like acrylic, laminate, lacquered glass, PU, etc, etc, etc. But in this video, we are going to focus on two most popular and most confusing finishes like acrylic and laminate because they look very similar but perform very differently. Okay, so let's break it down. I will tell you the actual difference between acrylic and laminate. Now, this is acrylic. This is made with polymers, it's factory finished, very smooth and gives you that glass-like look, which almost looks like a mirror. On the other hand, this is laminate. This is basically a bunch of paper with resin pressed together under high pressure. It looks very simple, but it's incredibly durable. And that is why people get confused, because both of them, they look very similar, but performance-wise, they are very different. Now let's talk acrylic first. If you have seen those stunning Instagram-worthy kitchen with a mirror-like shine, yes, that's acrylic. Now, for example, look at this kitchen. It looks so seamless and has no visible joints at all. Acrylic kitchen, even for smaller kitchen, makes it look way more bigger and brighter. So if you're into such bold colors like blue, purple, or even white and grey, then acrylic just nails it. The colors don't fade and the gloss stays intact for years if you maintain it right. While acrylic is a tad bit expensive, but it's worth spending on them as well. This is also very durable and looks very premium. Now, talking about maintenance, this is a little high maintenance, but you can use any mild cleaner to wipe off the surface to avoid seeing any kind of fingerprint or smudges. Make sure not to use any kind of harsh chemical or ammonia-based cleaner because they will cause yellowing over time and will cause scratches as well. So if you want a very modern, premium look, you're okay splurging and don't mind the high maintenance part, then acrylic finish is just for you. Now moving on to laminates. These have been around forever and there's a reason that it's still one of the most popular choices. But unlike acrylic, laminate just doesn't do glossy. You have wood grain, stone texture, matte finish, concrete look, basically any aesthetic that you want. Like for example, this kitchen. It has a laminate finish. This is like a stone finish laminate, but it still looks so premium. Now this is where laminate really wins. It's tougher, scratches, no problem at all, especially on textured finishes. Daily wear and tear, that is also not a problem. In fact, if you use it in the most used part of your home, that is your kitchen, laminate handles it like a champ. Now, coming to the cost, laminate is super budget friendly. So it's for all those people who love a beautiful kitchen but at a smarter price. This is much more easier to maintain. Like even for textured finishes like these, scratches are barely visible. You can just wipe it with a cloth occasionally. So finally, I must say that if you want a versatile, low maintenance and cost-effective kitchen, or let's say you have kids or pets or tend to use your kitchen a lot, then laminate is a way smarter choice. Now, I'll give you a pro tip that most people don't know. You really don't have to choose just one. You see this kitchen, it has acrylic on top and laminate at the bottom. And there's a reason why this combo is trending. The top cabinets are in acrylic, which means it's glossy, it's reflective, and also makes the space look way more bigger. Now, the bottom cabinets are in laminate, so it's way more durable, handles scratches, wear and tear much more easily, and more practical for daily life. So you get the premium look and durability, best of both worlds. So finally, here's the bottom line. Choose acrylic if you want a very modern, premium kind of look. You have the budget and don't mind little bit of extra care. Choose laminate for durability. Choose acrylic for a premium look. And my favorite, go for both. So are you team acrylic or team laminate? Let me know in the comments below. If you have watched this video and you still are not sure about where to start from, just fill up the form below and our designers will get in touch with you with a free design consultation. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Rukmini Saha, signing off, and I will see you again in the next episode. Bye-bye.